Hello, Moondoggy here, and welcome back to Deadbolt. And as you can see in the background, we killed somebody, another person. But really hope you guys enjoyed the last playthrough. I wanted to get right back into killing and making the fire happy, because we are all about making our fire very happy. I don't remember. The flames brought to life, and I see visions. My candle has searched but never returned. The second address is familiar to the fireplace. I'll find what happened to the candle. The zombies have hung security cameras. They don't do much, but will scream if they. Oh, okay. They can't. Candles are the eye and ears of the flames. Always observe and bring information. Okay. Right, let's do this. Now we have a new weapon. Alright, we're gonna knock out the other half of this. Hope we do good. I'm praying we do good. So, I got my beautiful. What? What about my? Here we go. Oh my God, suppressed? Well, I'm taking this. Alright, more bullets for us. Alright, we got a target up here. That takes care of that. We're gonna take the hammer. We can blap somebody with it. Always remember that. Now, let's just take a look at our options. We could go down, but before we do that, switch back. Shut this guy up. Okay. So now we're gonna go this way. Switch to the hammer. Beat the snot out of him. Beat the snot out of him. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Now we're gonna ambush this guy. We're gonna ambush him. Wait for it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I want the dinner bell. I want the dinner bell. That was an accident. That's the dinner bell. I screwed up. Oh, titties. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Come on. Oh, shit. Fuck this. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. First of all, what the hell? Okay. First of all, I didn't know. First of all, I didn't even know that guy was gonna. Oh, he screamed. I should have just shot him. No, I should have threw it at him. That's what I should have did. It's okay though. We learned our lesson. We learned our lesson. We're gonna do better. A lot better. Okay. Alright. Now, we're going to position ourselves this way. Wait for it. Got him. Pick up our trusty knife. We're going to get our knife. We're going to knock. I'm pressing knock. Oh shit. Got him. Okay, we're good. That takes care of him. Especially if, oh, I can't do that if I could. Wait. Kill you. Do that. Oh wait, let me get this guy. The less of them, the better. Got him. The less, the better. Okay, let me pick up this gun. I need all the guns I'm gonna get. Okay. Because it's about to get rowdy. Very rowdy. So I can kill one of the big guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. First of all, why couldn't I go back in the... I tried to go back into the toilet. It wouldn't let me. That's dumb. I wasted 2 bullets. Life is going good. I should have retired while I could. Life is going good, guys. Life is good. Life is like so good. Okay. We got this. Okay. Trusty knife. Got him. Wait on that. Oh, frickin' dick, are you freaking kidding me? I wasted all my ammo killing him. I'm gonna shut you up in 5 seconds. I'm sorry, that thing was bothering me. I'm hurrying. Okay, I got the machine gun. It doesn't look well. The candle is clutching. Cole, where are you? Thanks. That's where they are. Got him. Whew. We are out of here. Yes. I know. Everyone's a critic. Everyone's a critic. The floor roars to life. The zombie kings have become scared of my hunt. They have begun heavily guarding a nearby motel. I will find out what they're hiding. The candle tells me that the zombies king patrols are nearby. I have to be quick in case there's reinforcements. What's wrong with the fire? Uh-oh. Headless zombies. I remember this. Have you heard about the Reaper? We're not gonna bother. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Now this guy, I could engage him. But let's, oh shit. Well. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, double god. I can't go that way. I can't go nowhere. Okay, I'm gonna save that shotgun. I need to get a strategy going. I have no idea what to expect up here. Now, here's the thing. That guy would snitch on me the minute I opened that door. So I have to be careful. So how about I knock? Okay. 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 Not the most fail-proof strategy, but it's a strategy nonetheless. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, we made progress. Now the problem is, the minute I poof here, those two heads will see me. I could poof here. Are you fucking kidding me? First of all, I didn't even mean to shoot the light. I wanted to shoot him. No. The game just dicked me hard. Okay, got him. Let me see the hammer. Okay, here we go. Shit. That didn't do what it was supposed to do. Got him. I gotta be quick on the draw. Okay, first I'm gonna... Okay, here we go. Wait for it. Are you gonna come down here and visit? Are you just gonna stand there like an idiot? Sir, I would like an answer an hour later. Now would be nice, but ain't that about a bitch? He glitched the game. Like he stood there so I couldn't progress. Okay, save my ammo this time. So I didn't lose a lot. Now, let's see if we can actually make this happen without less of the BS. Now, if I could just open this door and be quick on the draw. That's all I need to do. Got him. Okay. Like, I don't think I can open the door and be quick on the draw. That's the problem. Because I could shoot the top guy, but this guy would shoot me. So you see my dilemma. It's not hard, it's just a dilemma. Oh! Okay, first of all, I didn't expect the severed head to come after me. I thought it was going to retreat. Oh my god, this game is just unpredictable. Like 1 second it does one thing, and 1 second it does another thing. Like you can't just predict that it will do what you want it to do. Got him. Urge to kill rising. Come downstairs, you doof. Jackass. That's what you get. Don't just stand there. Please don't just stand there. Alright. Now here's the problem. They're waiting for me. That's the problem. Whew. Got him. Oh, fuck. Got him. Yes, got him. Get your ammo. Thank you very much. Alright, we good, guys. We are good. Now, we got a big guy up there. So, the best strategy would be to go get that shotgun ready. So, let's get the shotgun. I think I gotta get rid of my tactical, maybe. Well, I'm going to use the shotgun immediately, actually, so we'll be quick. Alright, that takes care of him. Okay. Okay. So here's the problem. They're both staring me down. I'm nervous. So, I don't know if I can be quick. It's not that much. Okay, here comes some backup. We got backup. Where's backup? Okay, that's backup. Okay, I can do this. I'm gonna need this. Turn out the light. Hiya! Yeah, I threw it at you. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. What you gonna do, friend? What you gonna do? Come on. Come on. I want you to come upstairs. He's gonna trick me, isn't he? He's gonna try to trick me. He so desperately want me to come down now. Move, move. Don't get myself killed. Alright, here we go. Got him. Find information. Where? Is it in here? Oh, that's a revolver. I don't need that, but information. Information where? I'm just getting some more ammo real quick. But I'm confused though, cause they say get more ammo. I mean the information, but is it in their car? No. Huh. What? What? Oh. Here we go. Got it, 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 got it. We got the information. Let's get the hell out of here. Aww. I wanted to turn out the lights. Alright, we did good. We did good. That was a little difficult. It wasn't difficult. I just couldn't get in without getting caught. And things didn't want to fall into place. That was annoying. So the fire roars to life and I see visions inside. Their location expanded, burn the ash, burn the dead, and free the souls contained. The mission is to destroy all the ash, but it is best if I focus on killing the undead first. Alrighty. Almost done. Now we got vampires. We need more men protecting the ash. Oh boy. Bring your own. Oh boy. Those are vampires. That's bad. That's bad. That's a lot of bad. Okay, I took up the upper perimeter, so that's very important. Very important. Now, those women, they're dangerous. They're dangerous. I remember them. They are not to be trifled with. Let me see if I can snipe this guy. Or snipe this guy. Oh shit. Oh shit, no. Please. Don't do it. Oh shit, he's coming for me. Got him. I'm gonna take your tactical. Do you have a gun over there? No. What? 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can I jump off the roof? I pray I don't die. I pray I don't die. I'm praying. Now, I don't want to make a move, though. Screw it. I'm going for it. Okay, good, good, good. Oh, shit. You saw that? You saw how quick them get on me? That's our problem. That's our huge problem. Wait, is this light in here? I'm gonna just take a peek. Oh shit. Sir, come outside, please. I want to see your face. Oh, titty sprinkles. Oh. Oh, hi. If you want to come over, I recommend you come over here. Now. Not gonna ask you. I shot you first. Oh, I shot him first. They cheated. They cheated for him. But we got this. We'll be quick. We'll be real quick. So, come and get me. Okay. So you come and get me. Come on. Come and get me. Come on. Come on. No one likes a scaredy cat. Got her. And that's all of them. We did good. Got it. And I still keep my hammer. Yeah. 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 Now I need to get up here and take care of security up top, but I don't know how to do that without accidentally raising alarm. I don't know if that guy's still moving. That's the issue. I'ma risk it. Got him. Alright, we're good. That's everybody. Are you coming down here, sir? Well, if you are, please, hurry up. I'll wait. Come on, get it. Bastard. Yeah, you can't shoot what you can't see. But the problem is I'm down to a saw-off. And saw-off, not good on the aiming. Wish me luck. Got him. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Go away, go screw yourself. Shit. I'm not close enough. Got him. Got him. Alright, we're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Ooh. I can take yours. Oh wow, could have did that, but doesn't matter. We done. We done. We killed like a boss. Come on. Come on, y'all know they can't touch this. Come on, I did good. Everyone's a critic. I'm like Batman, I need a second to analyze. Alright, last mission, y'all. The flame roars, I see the blood inside. Attempting to lead his creed to salvation. A man with ambition cannot live with me. Roland, his death will shatter the zombie king leadership. I must remember that the mission is to kill Roland, not the others. Roland's has been filled with many guards, but the only target is Roland. Separate him from his men. Alright, we have our target. Let's kill him. Bam, Roland. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I really gotta. Okay, yeah, this is a lot. I really didn't see this coming. I really didn't see this coming. He said my mission is to kill Roland. So let's see if we can actually do that, shall we? Perfect transition. Alright. All we gotta do is roll up in here and shoot him. That's it. Easier said than done. So, wish me luck. Alright, screw it. Got him. Oh shit. Oh, that was shit. I knew it wasn't that simple. I knew it wasn't that simple. It was too easy. Too easy. I should have knew better. I should have known better. Life is not easy. What the? Wait, how did you see me? I know how. I know how. I know how. Okay, good. Okay. Now the problem is I don't know what's on that side. Oh wait, can I get in here? Perfect. And this will lead me to my car. Alright, we can do this. We can actually do this. With flying colors. Okay, here we go. Okay. Open the door, open the door. I'm gone. Peace out. 5 stars, baby. Can't top that. Alright guys, we're gonna leave it right here. We did an excellent job on assassinating. We will definitely be coming back and do some more. And we'll talk to the flame later. So with that, everybody, thank you all for watching this episode of a killing spree of very professional proportions. Keep on watching, everybody, and as always, I will see all of you when the next moon rises.